Hey, doing a bit of a vlog thing here. I'm in my workshop. I'm in the first floor of my workshop. It's a mess. Let me show you. As you can see, it's stock full of stuff. This is usually my welding table, but right now it's my everything that can't fit anywhere else junk table. So that's there. And then we're going to show you the workshop downstairs. Now I'll show you the access to my workshop. Makes this workshop a little bit of a pain, but that's what I got. I'm in downtown Tokyo, can't complain too much. So, I have a hatch. This is the project I'm working on right now, all this wood that I just got. Got a hatch here. So, as you can see, mechanics toolbox there, I got more tools here, got an air conditioner I got to install sometime there. So, come down here, grab the hatch, and there's my goofy Lapierre stairs. And yes, they're steep. You betcha they're steep. So let me come down here, and I usually just use my foot to kick the lights on. There's also a switch there for the exhaust fan. That's how you get down. Second, I gotta grab the tripod. Hang on, where's the tripod? Oh, there it is. The monopod, I guess. These stairs are a little bit weird, but once you get used to them, it's not bad. I know it looks bad, but it's not bad. So, here's the workshop. It's in quite a state right now. There's a jig I just built to cut these blanks in a circular thing. Here's another project I'm working on over there for a client. Do have a little bit of work coming in, not very much. There's my bandsaw that jig goes on. Anyways, that's how you get in and out of my workshop. I just sort of wanted to show you an egress video. Yeah, they're kind of goofy, but they work. First time you use them, it's really strange, but now it doesn't bother me at all. Anyways, ordered chaos down here. Kind of a mess right now because I got too many things on the go, but that's kind of usual. Okay, it's going to just be a quick, easy, dirty video. So, Stu signing out. Everybody stay safe, wash your hands, wear your mask, and stay away from people. That's what I'm doing. I'm social distancing in my workshop, turning and doing this kind of stuff. Anyways, take care. Bye-bye. See ya.